Hello. So, the things we're going to need for this project first is some chain link. And this is the project. It's a fast, easy, extremely fast, affordable craft. It's a chain link ring. That's it. Made from some chain. And I'm going to tell you the supplies you need. And this is going to go really fast, so don't blink. So this is what it looks like. These are stackable, and I'm going to make another one. Now, you could either use your finger to make this or get a ring mandrel. Excuse my nails. I'm crafting. I don't have nice nails when I'm crafting. Okay, so now I made this using a chain link, and from chain I'm going to show you. So you're going to need your jewelry working tools. You're going to need some chain also. And you're going to have to cut it to whatever you want, whatever length your finger is going to be. So this is the chain I got. I got it from Hobby Lobby. It's called Metal Gallery. I don't know if you can see. It's about 6 yards. Again, I got this at Hobby Lobby Craft Store. You could probably go online at Hobby Lobby Craft and order that also. It's the silver chain, the heavy, thicker chain. Now you could do this with different kinds of chain, but I really like the bigger chain links, and these are stackable and they're fun. And I think they really look nice. Now what you have to do is kind of wrap it around your finger or a mandrel. If you don't know what those ring mandrels are, just go ahead and look it up. They're those kind of cone-shaped sticks. They're sometimes made out of plastic and metal with the different sizes. Okay, now what I did was I took my jewelry working pliers and removed some of the links. So what you want to do is wrap the chain again either around your finger or a ring mandrel, and where it matches up to the next link, where it's tight enough but loose enough that you can still pull it off and on, because this isn't going to be adjustable. You're going to slip it on and off, but you want it to be tight enough that it's not going to fall off of you. So what you do is the next link over to the one that meets. So when you're matching the ends up, you want to go one more link after that, because then you're going to put a jump ring in there, so that'll fill the gap, but it's a jump ring that will attach the two. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm attaching a jump ring, and I'm using my jewelry working pliers to tighten them, and there it is. Depending on which finger you want, you'll wrap it around the finger that you desire, or again, if you're going to make them to sell or give as gifts, then you're going to want to use a ring mandrel so you could do various different sizes. And that's what it's going to look like. It's that easy, that fast, that simple, that affordable. Just some chain link, chain from a craft store, or you can use an old necklace, some jump rings, and your jewelry working tools, or a ring mandrel as well. But there you go. Now you can stack these. These are very stackable. You could add 3, 4 to them. There's no end to how many you could add. I really like the way it looks. See? It's kind of shiny. I really like this chain. It doesn't tarnish. I don't know if you get a good look at it right now. I'll get closer. See? And that's what it's going to look like. And they're stackable, so you can wear 1, 2, and these are the jump rings I got. Now these are a package of various different sizes from Panda Hall. If I could find the link off of Amazon, I'll put it there. It's on the Panda Hall shop on Amazon. I think it's about $8. Anyway, that's what I used for this. They're very thick and similar to this chain. You could also do a nice bracelet with this chain. A stackable. You can make many. There's no end to what you could do with this chain. I really love this chain. And that's what the ring looks like. See? So you can't go wrong. It's very easy. And I hope you like this fast, easy, affordable craft. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to click the bell for future notifications. Bye!